Good afternoon, children. Today you will revise chapter Sources of Energy. I think all of you had written the question answer earlier. If anybody has not written, write down objective types answers in the book with pencil. When your school will open, I will check your book as well as notebook. So you have to write the answer. Question number A, fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are non-renewable sources of energy. You will write coal and petroleum are non-renewable sources of energy. Next, dash is a major renewable natural resource. You can write sunlight is a major natural renewable resource. Next, question number 3. The process in which coal is strongly heated in the absence of air is known as dash destructive distillation. Question number 4. In oil wells, dash is always found above the layer of petroleum. You will write natural gas. Dash is a black viscous liquid obtained by destructive distillation of coal. You have to write coal tar. Next, true or false. Question number 2. State true or false for the following statements. First is, fossil fuels are renewable natural resources. You have to write false. It is non-renewable natural resource. Next, anthracite has higher carbon content than lignite. It is true. Children, you know that the anthracite is the best variety of coal and it contains 90% carbon. So it has higher carbon content than lignite. It is correct. True. Next, coke can be used to make fuel gases. It is true. Next, natural gas is found below the petroleum layers. It is false. Natural gas is found above the petroleum. Next, burning of fossil fuels is a major source of pollution. It is true. You know, children, fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, natural gas, and when you burn coal, smoke is produced and it also produces poisonous gases. So, burning of fossil fuels is a major source of pollution. It is true. Next, question number C. Tick the correct option. First one, the highest grade of coal is known as lignite, bituminous, anthracite, peat. You have to tick anthracite. It is the best variety. Next, question number C2. Coke and coal tar are obtained from petroleum, coal, natural gas, diesel. You have to write coal. Okay, destructive distillation of coal gives these two products, coke, coal tar and coal gas is also obtained. So, it is coal is correct option. Next question. Different types of coal generally have the first option, same content of volatile material and same percentage of carbon. It is false. Same content of volatile material but different percentage of carbon. It is also not correct. Third, different content of volatile material but same percentage of carbon. It is also not correct. Last option is different content of volatile material as well as different percentage of carbon. It is correct. Fourth question. A product that is not obtained through the refining of petroleum is diesel, kerosene, coal gas, petrol. What is not obtained by destructive distillation or by refining of petroleum? It is coal gas. Rest diesel, kerosene, petrol we get after refining of petroleum. So, coal gas is correct answer. Next question, question number 5. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Tidal energy, coal, diesel, petrol. You have read, children, that alternative sources of energy like solar energy, sunlight, wind energy, hydel energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, all these are renewable sources of energy. So correct option is tidal energy. Now question number D1. Define the term fuel. A fuel is a substance that burns in air to produce heat energy like coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Next question. Name any two renewable natural sources of energy. Two renewable natural sources of energy are sunlight, wind energy, hydel energy. Any two you can write. Third question. Define the term carbonization. The process of conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization. Okay, children, you have read that the remains of dead plants are buried under the earth's crust, and due to high pressure and temperature, they are converted into coal. So, the process of conversion of wood into coal over millions of years due to high pressure and temperature is called carbonization. Next question. Name the three main products obtained from destructive distillation of coal. You can write any three products like petrol. Petrol is used in light vehicles like car, scooter, bike, etc. It is also used in dry cleaners, okay, to clean the dresses. It is also used as an aviation fuel in the aeroplane. Highly refined petrol is used as an aviation fuel. It is used in aeroplane. Next you can write diesel. Diesel is used in heavy vehicles like bus, truck, etc. Next, kerosene. It is used as a domestic fuel. It is also used in the lantern, lamp, etc. Next. So you have seen petrol, diesel, kerosene. These are the main products that are obtained from destructive distillation of coal. Now state two usage each of the following: asphalt, paraffin, wax. Asphalt is used for making the road, and it is also used for painting the underside of the electric pole to resist the corrosion. Next is paraffin wax. It is used to make grease, Vaseline, ointment, candle, etc. Next, write the full form of CNG, LPG and PNG. Full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Petroleum gas is liquefied under high pressure, and this it is filled in the cylinder in the form of liquid. And PNG, it is piped natural gas. Natural gas is supplied through the pipeline, that is PNG, piped natural gas. So you can write CNG, compressed natural gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, PNG, piped natural gas. Now question number E1. Describe in brief the process of coal formation. You can write that coal is a fossil fuel. It is formed by the remains of dead plants. Dead plants are buried under the earth's crust, and due to geological changes, due to high pressure and high temperature, some physical and chemical changes take place in the wood, and this high pressure is supplied through the soil and the rocks, and high temperature is supplied through the Earth's core. So the wood changes into coal and it takes millions of years to be formed. Next, differentiate between lignite and bituminous coal. Lignite is a type of coal which contains 38% carbon, and bituminous is also a variety of coal and it contains 65% carbon. So, lignite and bituminous are different in carbon content. Lignite 38% carbon content and bituminous has 65% carbon content, and both are used for generating electric power. Okay, so they are useful for electric power generation. Next question is, how do petroleum and natural gas occur in nature? Petroleum and natural gas occur in the nature at moderate depth from 500 meter to 2000 meter. And petroleum is found with saline water. Petroleum is lighter than seawater, so it floats on the surface of water, and natural gas is found just above the petroleum. Petroleum is trapped between the impervious rocks, and natural gas is found above the petroleum between the rock caps. So this is about the occurrence of petroleum and natural gas. Both are found in the oil well and they occur together. Diagram is given in the book and you will draw the diagram also. Next question is, state the main advantage of using natural gas. Natural gas is a cleaner fuel, so it is very useful because when we burn natural gas, it does not leave behind ash, and it also does not cause pollution in the air because it does not produce smoke and other pollutant. So natural gas is a cleaner fuel and it does not cause pollution in our environment. Next question, keeping in mind their availability in nature, explain the need of using coal and petroleum judiciously. You will write, as we know, coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. They take millions of years to be formed. So if we will use them continuously, they will run out from the earth. So it is our duty to use them wisely, economically and judiciously, so that our future generation may get it. Okay, so our main purpose to use it judiciously is to make them available to our future generation. Okay children, that's all. So all of you will revise this chapter and you will learn question answer also. Thank you.